नमस्कार आप सभी को। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द साधनास, क्योंकि आप सभी को मालूम है कि रेगुलरली आई टीच चक्र मेडिटेशन एंड हायर मेडिटेशन टेक्निक्स। और अक्सर व्हाट आई हैव सीन कि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे डेफिनेटली गेट द रिजल्ट्स, मिलता है। लेकिन मैंने ये देखा है और काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझे ये कहा भी है कि साधना में सफलता क्यों नहीं मिलती है। तो आपको आज ये बताने के लिए आया हूँ मैं दैट इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट सक्सेस इन द फील्ड ऑफ साधना एंड यू आर एमिंग फॉर द बेस्ट साधना, बिकॉज योग साधना में जो पूरे योग का सारांश कह लें या स्पाइनल कॉर्ड कह लें, इट इज़ नथिंग बट कुंडलिनी साधना और चक्रा meditation. Now when you are learning the meditation, so whenever you enter in any workshop, you normally start a workshop with a meditation technique, whatever is taught to you. But the yogic school always say that there has to be initiation, there has to be a Diksha to enter inside the sadhana. So today we are going to discuss about the importance of Guru Sadhana or Guru Diksha, because without Guru Diksha, yeah, without performing the Guru Sadhana, it is impossible, totally impossible to get success in the life, to get success in the sadhana. It is highly impossible. So we all know that, and our whole Indian tradition and whole yogic tradition talks about the importance of Guru. Now what is the meaning of Guru? So Guru क्या है? गुरु कोई वस्तु नहीं है. Guru is not this body, Guru is not this some form. Guru is the knowledge which is guiding you. But what happens, there is a concept where people say that the God within us has to be considered as the Guru and you can start. But problem ये होती है कि when you are stuck with the sadhana or when you don't get the success, the same person who is inside you becomes your enemy suddenly. क्योंकि you have not realized who is he and you are trying to understand who is he. So both are two different things. So why a Guru is required? Because Guru will help you to select the right path. He will help you to minimize the mistakes what you are doing during the sadhana, and he can teach you the right way of performing the sadhana. Now Guru Sadhana, why it is important? See, suppose you are sitting in a meditation. So you commit lot of mistakes. बहुत सारी गलतियाँ होती हैं. You commit lot of mistakes. You commit a lot of mistakes in terms of your physical body, mentally also. So what this Guru Sadhana will do? This Guru Sadhana will see that all the negative effects of these mistakes what you have committed is neutralized and you get the success. Now Guru Sadhana is very important because through Guru Sadhana or Guru Diksha, you get connected to your Guru. So whatever sadhana you are learning, you are connected. It is a lineage like. So you know what you are doing and what is going to happen with you. Majority, like all my students, all my people, those who have learned chakra meditation or any deeper meditation techniques from me, they know very well कि always I go with the intensive type of meditations. आप लोगों ने जिन्होंने भी किया है मेरे साथ साधना, you know it is an intensive type of meditation. And whenever you are doing an intensive meditation, there are chances that you commit a mistake. There are chances that you will commit blunders actually. तो वहाँ पर Guru Sadhana is very, very important. Guru Diksha is very much important. But normally in workshops, we don't conduct that. Second thing, why Guru Sadhana is important, that you are connected with your Guru. Whatever you are doing, your Guru knows, or he can correct it, or he can guide you. Second thing is, suppose you are doing any Mahavidya sadhanas. Now Mahavidya sadhanas means Dash Mahavidya sadhanas or any other sadhana. Before you start doing it, all the mantras are nailed, कीलन किया हुआ इन मंत्रों का by Lord Shiva. And whenever you perform these mantras, first of all, you don't know the correct way of chanting the mantra. You don't know the exact meter, you don't know the exact rhythm of that mantra. You don't know exact pitch and the scale. So when you are initiated, you are taught that. And you have to do the sadhana accordingly. So it is very important that one should take the Guru Diksha. Now Guru Diksha can be taken in person or it can be taken through distance also. But it depends on the person again. And moreover, it shows the seriousness also of the person, of the student, that really is sincere and serious for the sadhana or not. Because you may come from any part of the world, you may learn, you may think that you have completed the workshop or any sadhana shivir in a week, but you all remember that in my sadhanas or workshops, I always say that to complete one Kundalini sadhana, you will require at least 27 years to complete it from your side. But from her side, from the Divine Mother side, it will take time, because this 27 years, we know very well that we were never 100% committed to the sadhana. And people, those who are just doing it just because they want to attend the workshop, they want to experience something, you know where you are then. Now, Guru Mantra is very, very important, because Guru Mantra acts as a key for everything. And remember, without Guru, there is no Gati. Means without Guru, Diksha, whatever sadhanas you are doing, whatever puja path you are doing, you will not be getting the benefit of that. Because see, most of the people in India, we are taught Gayatri Mantra. Now Gayatri Mantra also, and I have seen people sitting with chappal and eating all different type of things which are prohibited in the field of sadhana, and they chant the mantras. So first thing is, it is not at all permitted in sadhana. Second thing is, your Guru sadhana will guide you. Your Guru Mantra will guide you that you don't commit mistake. Remember one thing, it is your commitment towards your Guru. It is not your Guru's commitment towards you, because it is always there, you don't have to worry about that. Even if you scold your Guru, if you say some bad thing about your Guru is not going to harm you. Definitely is not going to harm you. Because all the doubts, all the problems, everything comes in the mind of a student. And the process of becoming a disciple from the student is a very tedious and very hectic thing. Very rarely, I haven't seen, very few people I have seen this, those who have really shown that commitment towards the Guru. Because most of the time, instead of judging yourself, you learn to learn what you are. But there you start judging the person who is teaching you. So that also is wrong, because see, person who is teaching you, the person who is sitting in front of you, you know him only for a few hours or maybe in 1 week, whatever he reveals to you. But there is so much of sadhana, there are so many gurus who are guiding him. There are so many things in the nature who are who are present with him, and they are guiding him. Those things you cannot see. So what I am thinking is, because most of the people, those who are in the field of sadhana, and the people, those who are connected to me through chakra meditation or through samyam or through any other form of meditation or Kundalini initiation, even if you have taken a Diksha, if you have taken the initiation and you feel that still I am not able to do the sadhana Diksha can be repeated also. There's nothing wrong in that. Because more and more, and remember, Dikshas which I give, they don't belong to the Dikshas or category of Vedic Dikshas or Tantric Diksha. These are all Shaktipat Dikshas. Because whatever tapasya I do or whatever I have done, that only I share with you, so that directly you get connected with the sadhana. Because to reach near me or to me, you have already taken a lot of time. So if you are sincere enough, definitely you are going to get the benefit. People, I don't see anybody who has learned sincerely under me can say that they haven't experienced anything. Most of the people, I remember in one of my workshops in Bangalore, I remember while doing the practice, while doing the workshop only, many of the disciples, I can say, because that person comes under the discipleship, he could see, he could experience Mahalakshmi, Mahavidya. Now, Mahalakshmi, Mahavidya is not a small thing. And if you ask me that you show me, so I don't have to show you. You are not my boss. You are not my anything actually. You are a student. And it is the deity, it is the energy, it is the supreme energy which will decide whether it has to be given to you or not. But what I do is I prepare you. I prepare you for all these sadhanas. So, we are in the 2024 now, and this is the first day of 24. That's why I thought of making this video. तो जो लोग भी मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, whether you have taken directly any workshop or you want to enter in the sadhana, you want to learn something from me, if you want it to be authentic, 14th of January, we all know that what it is. So 14th of January is what? मकर संक्रांति. So सूर्य का संक्रमण होगा मकर राशि में. And that is the best way, because that is a kumbh. That is the most energetic time when you can take a Diksha. So that is one thing where you can either come to me, if you can come, or if you cannot come, you can take the Diksha through distance. The fees and all other things, you can contact me because everybody has got the number. But sadhana wise, yes. And once you are initiated, I will tell you the process of at least how to do that sadhana, because Guru sadhana, once you do inside you, because the people, those who have done the advanced meditation of Samyam with me, they know exactly how intense it can be. Guru sadhana is more intense than that, because all the suppressed karmic imprints can be totally thrown out with the practice of Guru sadhana, and you will be free from all the problems. So if you want to be good in your health, Guru sadhana is very important. Maybe after Guru sadhana you may require Mahamrityunjay, but master key is Guru sadhana. If you want to be spiritually developed or spiritually enlightened, you need Guru sadhana, because after Guru sadhana only Kundalini sadhana will come. So Kundalini Diksha also is there. If you want to be good in any of Dash Mahavidya sadhanas, so Guru sadhana, then Dash Mahavidya sadhana. So now I think it is very clear that what I wanted to tell everybody on the day 1 of 2024 is that everybody has to take Guru Diksha. And 2024 Guru Diksha, January 14th. If you want, you can definitely contact and try to avail the Diksha and start the sadhana sincerely, because already last year you have done whatever you wanted to do. And this sadhana or Diksha can be taken by anybody. Matlab, I have heard that people telling ki how can I take Diksha? I take non-vegetarian, I drink all that. See, Diksha can be given to anybody. This Diksha will bring the change inside you, because if you are already dirty, with the dirt you cannot remove that dirt. You have to come to the clean place. So cleanliness only can remove the dirt. So Diksha will change everything. So importance of Guru Diksha is very, very important in the sadhana. And Shraddha, Bhakti and Samarpana, total surrenderance, desire and dedication towards your Guru, whoever has taught to you, is very, very important. Never ever in your life, in your dreams, in your thoughts, in your Breath also have a doubt on your Guru, because you will never understand the importance of a Guru. We all know Lord Ram, Lord Krishna, but they also had a Guru. They realized everything, they knew everything, but to maintain the importance of Guru, they had to go through that same process. So let us enter in this spiritual sadhana once again with full energy and prosperity. Namaskar.